What up, YouTube family? This your boy Ed, aka the Togo, man, and I'm back at y'all with another video, and we back active. Right now we headed across town, cause we got a hit on the vehicle. I had checked the GPS log in, but where the vehicle at just seemed like super strange because, like, it's like in an industrial area. Seemed like, I don't know, like I ain't never been over there before, but we about to go over there and check it out. But now that I got the drone, now I can kind of pretty much get a live look at the area before I go in. So that's what we're gonna do this time again. Just kind of get a live look at the area, kind of see what we walking into. But you know, we about to dive into this video, so y'all stick around. All right, so we just made it over by the location. We like a couple blocks over, so I'm about to send the drone to where we getting the ping at. Like I said, it's down like an alley towards like a back street, so we just about to just see what's going on, man. See if we can get a hit on it. Yeah, that's most definitely it. So I don't know if the people work over there or what's going on, but we about to most definitely try to snatch it up though. This is the first for everything, though. But we got the vehicle, so that's the only thing that matters. So what we about to do now is pretty much get a couple streets over. I'm about to strap it down, and we about to get it back to the location, do inventory, and try to get on to our next call. All right, so we just dropped that vehicle off and did inventory on it. And I just got to text from Big Sight, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit him up and see what he was talking about and carry on with our day, man. So let's get to it. What up, what you, bro? What's going on?
Hey, check this out.
What's up?
Remember that powder blue Honda Civic we was after the other day?
Yeah.
I located it in Cleveland Heights. I read the VIN and I got the plate number.
Okay, cool.
I'm gonna send you some pictures and stuff so you know how to slide and glide on it. You know what I'm saying? I know the location and everything. I'm gonna send you all that information.
All right, bet. Yeah. Just drop the low, bro. I'm about to head that way.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. So I guess we headed up to Cleveland Heights. He sent me the pictures over. I took a look at them. It looked like I got a nice space to work around. It just seemed like the driveway was super long, but you know, it's what we do, man. So hopefully they don't leave before I get there. All right, so we're getting close to the destination. You already know, man. You already know, man.
Hide your car, he come get it.
Oh, y'all hear what's going on?
He already told my shit already. Told my shit like 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4.
After another successful run, had to stop, grab me a little something to drink, and you know, stop at my favorite pizza spot and give me something to grub on before I slide to the house and pretty much check my log and wait for another call or another hit on something. So y'all stay tuned, man. Other side, bro. The other side.
You smooth, boy.
No, for sure.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, told me we can't be cool no more, so I jumped out the car on her and ran. No, I'm just joking.
Hey, listen. When you call me, right? You know how like a person be sounding right when like something wrong? That's how you sounded, bruh. You was like, meet me on 93rd. Matter of fact, I'm be walking down 89. I'm like, damn, nigga getting chased?
No, no. In all true actuality, I got a lockout to do downtown at the casino.
Yeah.
So I was supposed to be going to kung fu practice with Chanel, Trudy, and Jamari.
Yeah.
But instead of me having her take us all the way back home, take me all the way back home so they'd be late,
Yeah.
I just jumped out the car. I got to walk.
Okay, okay.
She's like, you don't want me to take you home? No, I'm cool. I'm gonna just call Ed to come get me.
No, you already know. No, but another customer had just called me and needed me to come grab his vehicle. I had told it probably about 3-4 weeks ago. I had told his vehicle. It was a Mercedes. Like what happened was it kind of just like it had power, but wouldn't none work in the car. Like the ignition, another one didn't none work. You couldn't put the car in neutral, couldn't do nothing with the car. So he had got stuck at the gas station. Excuse me. He had got stuck at the gas station, so I had came and rescued him from there and got his vehicle to the house. So now he getting it towed to the shop. So that's what I'm en route to do right now. So y'all stay with me. Pretty good, pretty good. Gonna use this to pry this up right here. And then once you pry that up, it's a little button right there. And then all you do is just hit the button and you can shift it into neutral. Yeah. This I know? Yeah. All right, so I'm about to let y'all know what just went down. All right, so I get the car to the shop, pull up. When I got the truck, oh boy, like you know what's wrong with the car? I'm like, no, I really don't know what's wrong with the car. He like, will I be able to move the car? Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, well, I got the car in the neutral right now, but I'm like, you ain't gonna be able to steer the car because the steering wheel locked. So do you want me to put it inside of your building or whatever the case may be? So he like, no, cause I got other cars that I'm working on right now. He like, man, he just get the rent. Man, you gotta just take this car back to where you got it from, cause I ain't gonna be able to work on it because it's gonna be stuck outside and I ain't gonna be able to do da. And I'm in my head, I'm like, well, I'm pretty sure that they explained this to you, before I got here. But okay, like I ain't about to go back and forth with you. I'm about to just take these people back their car, and then that is what it is. When y'all about to get y'all car fixed, man, make sure y'all take it into a reputable spot. They got the means to move your car around. They got to move your car around, diagnose your car, and fix your car, flat out. People just pay for it, tow for nothing. Well, I ain't charge them though. You feel me? I ain't charge them. I was just like, cause it wasn't even that no longer distance. You know what I'm saying? To where I had to really out my way. So I just gave them back their money and was like, look, when y'all find a spot they can, you know what I'm saying, fix your car and got the means to, you know what I'm saying, just hit my line and I'll come back pick it up for sure. So that's where we at. But I'm really about to end my day after that, like I said, because I got other stuff I need to take care of. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. That's what I'm about to do, ski. So listen, man, like always, if y'all made it to the end of the video and y'all still not subscribed to y'all boy and y'all just not getting hip, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, like that comment section up, and as always, don't forget to ring that notification so y'all miss out on none of this awesome content. Nah, I'll get with y'all.